Welcome to The Explainer. Let's dive right into your ultimate biology study guide, the fundamental characteristics of life. Here's what we're tackling today. We'll define each key biological trait and give you a simple example. This tree of biological existence perfectly maps our journey. It shows exactly how these traits build living systems. First up, organization. Living things aren't just random mush, right? They're highly structured at a cellular level. Take a look at the roots. Your cells have perfectly organized little parts, like the nucleus. Next is metabolism. Basically, this is all the chemical reactions that process energy to keep you alive. For instance, a plant soaking up sunlight, or your own digestive tract turning lunch into ATP energy. Then there's homeostasis. This is the biological Goldilocks zone, maintaining a super stable, perfectly balanced internal environment. Think of balancing scales. Homeostasis constantly works behind the scenes, keeping your temperature and pH levels perfectly aligned. Moving on to responsiveness. Organisms don't live in a bubble. They have to detect and react to changes. Ever touch a hot stove? Instantly pulling your hand back is responsiveness in action, keeping you safe. Now, growth just means getting physically bigger. Development, though, that's a gradual change in complexity and function. Picture a tiny seedling growing into a massive tree, or a kid slowly developing into an adult. To keep the story going, we need reproduction. Producing new cells or offspring ensures life actually continues. A single cell dividing or a baby inheriting its parents' DNA, that's life passing the baton forward. Finally, evolutionary adaptation. Over massive spans of time, these combined traits help entire species survive an ever-changing world. Think about how finchbeaks adapted to specific diets, or the incredible long progression of human evolution. Okay, here's part 1 of your cheat sheet. Pause the explainer and screenshot this for your study notes. And here's part 2. Memorize these definitions and their simple examples, and you'll totally ace that next exam. So, if adaptation constantly changes these traits over millions of years, what will the tree of existence look like next?